So what's popping, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Stick Fight. And this episode, as usual, we're gonna be kicking some stick ass. The bro just got uppercutted. Who wants the pumpkin? Ah! Team Yellow for the win! Come on, we can do this. Go! That was kind of ironic. No, not kind of. That was ironic. Bleh. Oh! Well, that just happened. What? What does that mean? Very old vet. What? I have no idea what this guy's talking about. Please don't. Yay! You little bugger. No! Fool, I wish you would. Get the pumpkin! One of y'all! Red got the pumpkin. Meaning our next target. Oh, no, you don't. Uh-huh. No. No. That's right, we can inflict as much damage as possible. Just gonna peacefully get my... No! You bugger! Give me back... Well, that didn't go so according to plans. Well, I'm just chilling up here. You're saying easy. I'm going in for the attack. No, you don't. I gotta stop thinking negative about this weapon. No! I need to get another weapon. Oh, no, no! No! Oh, yeah. Ah! Well, goodbye. Wait a minute, what? No. What the spike landfall? Gotta get up here. Nah, stay back. And you too. Yo, chill with the cusses. I don't want to get demonetized. No. Oh God, no. Oh God, yes. Woo. Ah! I died of hypothermia. Wow. It is a fun game. Well, it's fun, it's fun unless you know it. That's none of me business. No, I'm trying to, no! Let me go! I freaking died, really? That's just... We gotta make the episode more interesting. No! Damn! Yay! 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 Nay! Guys, I think Red died. Did he die? Yep, he died. Wait. I don't know why I did that. He died. Oh God, no! Woo. One of us has... You know what? I'll get the pumpkin. Screw this. I'm getting the pumpkin. Oh. No. wish you would, fool. Yeah. Try it. Try it. See where it gets you. See you later. No, I'm dead. I'm screwed. As soon as he got that weapon, I knew I was screwed. Good old minigun. No. No! Go, get out, get out, get out, get out! That's risky. But go! 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 Let me out! Ah! Woo! Okay. I just got grounded. Sweet. No, Red. Bad Red. Bro, Red jumped off. Bye. See you in Stick Heaven. Whoa. Ah. Oh. Damn, the one shot is crazy, yo. Oh, yep, y'all are in trouble now. You are in trouble now. Go! Get up! Oh, get your godforsaken butt up there! No! Being a jerk in this game is so fun. Damn it. Nope. Who else is there to join? Guys, we're not even actually fighting. Take this! Want some more? You son of a gun. Revenge. Don't you be talking about revenge? Alright, final battle, so I'm not getting the pumpkin. Alright, this is the final battle. I say that, but will it be? Will it? No! Come on, guys, do no! You guys are sitting here doing buckets! What the hell, guys? Woo! I love epic battles. Usually I never win on boss fights. Oh, wait. We might be onto something. We might. Get him, gang! Get him! Gang on him! Gang on him! This guy is not even doing anything. Uh-huh. Well, green's out. Damn it. Oh. Oh, blue's still alive. Y'all can do it. I'm glad you have faith in us, green. I clearly don't have any of myself. Especially when they... No. Shoot. Blue, run. Run. No. Balls. Oh, big bouncy balls. No. Oh man, I'm not gonna be able to do it. It's all up to me. The question is, will I be able to do it? I'm so close. No. Oh God, I'm dead. I'm screwed. I don't know how I got out of that. Ah! Ugh. All that for nothing. All that for absolutely nothing. Wow, Red. No. You frickin' frick. Oh, God, no. RPG! Get him! Woo! Damn. Okay, this is it, y'all. I was hoping the boss fight will be final. Ah, no. No! Oh, no! Ah! No! Ah! We're trapped! Ah! I want out! Ah! Let's go! Alright, you guys, that is it for this episode of Stick Fight. Really hope y'all did enjoy. If so, please smash that like button, comment, subscribe, and until next time, I'm out. Peace.